Hey guys, today I'll show you how to remove someone from share list on TikTok. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. There are two working ways to actually do this. The first way is to mute and delete all chats of the TikTok account from your direct messages. For this video, I'll be removing the first user on our share list. Now the second way is to remove the person from following you, then also unfollow and block the TikTok profile. As you can see, we have successfully removed the person from our share list. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.